unboxing of an RGT which I picked up off eBay at a discounted rate. And let's see what we have inside. So as you can see there, this is the RGT EX86110. This is definitely not a new RC, it's been around for a while. The reason I purchased this is because it was on a deal that was too good to pass up, and yeah, it was just a random buy. So the good thing is the box does look like it's sealed. This bit over here does look like it's been opened. Hopefully everything is good inside. Let's open this baby up and see what we have. Let's get that. Another one over here. I'm hoping that everything's all good because the box itself feels a bit flimsy, but you never know, it could be okay. Alright, so it looks like it's going to come out this way. Let's pop it out. Alright, let's take a look at what's in here. Now that's obviously going to be stuck down there. Almost lost it. That was the power adapter for the charging the battery. But it's actually quite a nice looking rig. Yeah, I'm impressed so far. Let me get rid of the tabs underneath here and we'll come back and take a look. Alright, so let's see if this baby comes out now. What have we got in here? Controls down here. I don't know how many channels this is. I didn't really do a lot of investigation into it. I have seen a few reviews of these a while ago on YouTube, and I was planning on getting one, but there's just other stuff out there that was more interesting to me at the time. But this actually is not bad. I've got a few of these and they're good controllers, so I'm impressed. That's definitely good. Nothing else in there, so let's bring that over there and see what we have. So let me bring this up on the camera. So there she is there. Alright, so just a quick run around the body. You can see here you don't actually get proper tail lights, they're just stickers on there. But for the price and for what it is, let's have a look underneath. So just taking a look underneath, doesn't look too bad. You know, it's for the price that I paid, which was 300 Australian, it's not bad at all. You know, like those links are good. That feels like a metal diff cover. I've got to take that out, see how well it's lubed up. Obviously plastic drive shaft there. Tyres feel good. they look alright too. I don't think I'm going to change that. I don't think I'm going to do anything at all to this. I think I'm just going to leave it as is. So I've taken the body pins out, the 4 posts. I think, yes, so the wires for the lights are very, very tight. It's a weird one, huh? So you can't even lift it off. Like, almost as a way to unplug it. There is one at the front, but the back one, that is on there tight. So to get to the battery, that's rather interesting, hey? You'd have to kind of pop it down like that, take the battery out, and plug it in. The motor's up the front. That wiring though is interesting. It's very, very tight. I figured it out. It's actually plugged in over here. I thought that the wire was just sticking out. Might see if this battery's got a little bit of charge in it and just see if this thing will run. I don't normally do that straight away. You have the battery there, that's the 7.22S 2000 milliamp hour battery, so not bad. I mean, you know, it's an RTR, 300 bucks, what do you expect? Alright, so I'll quickly throw a battery in it, and we'll get our 4 AA's and see how we go. Alright, so there's our button. See what? Oh. Just cycling through the lights. I don't think there's too many options there. I don't think it has indicators, is it? No. Very basic lights. Those top ones there, I just don't know how those ones at the top go off unless it's on another channel. Don't know. Normally there's like a channel 4 button here, but I think that's just fake. I think it just has 3 channels. I'm just going to try and figure out how to shut off the light bar up the top. Alright, I couldn't figure that one out. I'll have to look at the manual and see, because it seems you can only cycle the front headlights. That's on, off, that's it. That's really odd because it's plugged into a separate channel, so you would think you would be able to control that. But anyway, no big deal. The body itself is very, very thin. Very thin. You have to be really careful with it. Let's pop this thing on the ground and see how she goes. That reverse is just insane. It's just so jumpy. Forward's alright. I think maybe if I calibrate the controller, that might fix that problem. Okay, so I have changed out the motor for a 12-turn 5-slot motor. This is a Surface Hobby one that I had lying around. Way better. It's not. I tried actually calibrating the controller, made no difference about it being really jumpy in reverse. As soon as I put this in, way better. I'll show you in a second. And the other thing I've done is I have undone this plug over here, and I've put in like a T lead. So I'm running that directly now into what the front headlight was, and I've got control of the light bar at the top. So pretty happy with that. And let's put the body on and give it a quick run. Well, there you have it, guys, the EX86110 unboxing and just quick run, and yeah, just a couple of quick modifications there. The only thing I did was take out this original motor and put in a 12 turn 5 slot, and you saw the difference. Makes a world of difference. So haven't tried the drag brake or anything just yet, but I think it's good to go. The only thing I'm going to do is just check the differentials for grease, and yeah, should be another good addition to my collection. Bye for now.